Hi friends, as a road user on the roads, as a driver, you must have watched different kinds of road markings on the road. Some are yellow, some are white, some are dotted, some are continuous. Some road markings are dotted as well as continuous. So question comes in your mind what to do when you see different kinds of road markings on the road so that you do not make any violation on the road. So road markings are crucial components of traffic control systems. They guide, warn, and regulate road users, helping ensure road safety and efficient traffic flow. So here in this video, I will show you what a particular road marking means and what to do when you see different kinds of markings on the road. As in my other videos, I have already told you that road markings have their own language. As a driver, you
Just see, in this video the road is dividing into two parts. In between there are dotted lines that shows that you can go from the left to the right and right to the left. Now there are dotted on the left side and there is solid on the right side. That means from the left side of the lane you can come to the right side, but from right you cannot go on the left side. Now there are two continuous solid lines which you cannot cross at all. You have to be in your lane.
left to the right or right to the left. Now another line is coming on which on the right there is dotted lines and on the other side is solid line. So you can go from our side, from where the car is moving, to the other side, and then you cannot switch from left to the right. Now again dotted line has come. That means from the other side vehicles are coming, they can. Now again dotted line has come. That means from the other side vehicles are coming, they can jump towards your side and you can also pass from your side whenever it is safe to do so. Now there is a divider island in between and continuous, you cannot cross that. Again there are two solid lines in between and the divider is there. You cannot touch these yellow lines and you cannot go to the other side of the